WHUT utilizes the Ready to Learn program for underserved communities within the Washington, D.C. area. The main importance of Ready to Learn is that the station has an opportunity to use PBS quality resources, more specifically PBS KIDS resources, to help improve learning amongst educators, families, and community stakeholders.
We have a school that we work with, WB Patterson. We're also connected to Bald Eagle, which is a recreation center, Bellevue Library, which is directly just down the street from both of those locations, and then directly across the street is Community of Hope, which is a community clinic. So it's a way for us to take education materials out into the community.
I think it's a good project for our children, especially in the Washington, D.C. area, because a lot of children are not exposed to a lot of things. There's other things that children can be doing, and this is a positive activity that children can be placed in with their parents.
The Ready to Learn resources and how PBS has created these curriculums based around their shows and characters, but using it in a digital mindset and having kids, do play and learn science, having parents engage with, Scratch Junior and the coding apps or the coding aspect of this. I think that helps parents and their children to engage easily these days.